trade-in has never been worth more.
With 0% financing, save like never before.
The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Lincoln County in central New Mexico, south central Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles southwest of Cedarvale, or about 12 miles west of Corona, and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include rural north central Lincoln County, rural extreme south central Torrance County. Severe storms produce damaging winds and large hail. Move indoors and avoid windows.